guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Ysay, and here on my channel I upload travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials, hauls, or anything about makeup every Thursday. So yes, if you like this kind of content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. So for today's vlog, guys, I will show you how I create this look. This is a spring look, yeah, a colorful spring look. And if you want to see more, please do subscribe and keep on watching. Hello again, guys. So today we're gonna do a spring look tutorial. So I already primed my eyes using the MAC Painterly in paint pots, and I also baked my under eye using my Makeup Revolution London Banana Light, so that if there will be a fall off, it will be easier for me to clean up afterward. So the palette that we're gonna use today for the look that we're gonna create for spring is the Morphe Avani Gregg for the Bebs. So this is a nice palette. I got this from the Black Friday, during Black Friday. So it has a mirror, and this is the colorful shade. So this is, we have some mattes and just few shimmers, and these two rows here are the activated liners that you just have to wet it with water, and it will be used as an eyeliner for graphic eyeliner look or something like that. So this is the palette that we're gonna use. So if you want to see what we can create using this palette, keep on watching. I'm using my Sigma tapered blending in E35, and I'm dipping my shadow. We'll just do a rainbow color, I think. So we'll play with the colors today. So I'm just gonna dip my brush on the red one. It's called Maddie Don't Like, and I'm gonna put it my inner eye. I'm just dabbing it gently. Now I'm using another brush from e.l.f., the eye contour, and I'm taking the shade, this green, and I'm putting it in the eyelid. So these are all matte shades. I'm dabbing it gently, and I'm taking more shadows, more product, and tapping it gently over the lid, and I'm trying to overlap the red one. Now I have blended the two colors together and packing all the green stuff here on the lid, my both eyes, and I'm loving it so far. Next, I'm taking another brush. This is from e.l.f., the eye crease, and I'm taking the shade, maybe this one. This is called the Hidden, and we'll pack it in the outer V. Just packing it gently. I'm just taking it outward a little bit and putting it to the crease, blending it over the crease, taking some rough edges. Now I'm doing the other eye in the same shade, and I'm packing it gently in the outer V, and I'm trying to go out a little bit, and I'm just blending it. Now I think I'm going back to the green in the middle. Oops, just a minute. Now I'm using my flat eyeshadow brush, e.l.f., and I'm going to dip it back to this green shade. And I just want to add more colors here in the Now I'm using this detailed crease and from e.l.f., and I'll just probably dip it in the shade this orange, and this is You Mad and I Cry. Yeah, these two. And I'll just gonna put it on the crease to clean up the rough edges and connect the colors together. Now guys, I think I want to shimmer up the eyelid, so I'm taking this shade Star Emoji, this one, and I think I'll just use my fingers because it is a pressed pigment, and I'm just gonna dab it in my eyelid. And one more thing guys, if you are playing with a pressed pigment or this it's like eyeshadow, just be careful that it won't go inside in your eyes because it is very dangerous, and just be careful with the fallouts too as well. So I'll just gonna blend it up using my this pencil brush, and I'll just retouch with this red again in the middle. And I'm just gonna take another flat brush, and I'll dip it in the shade this yellow, and I'll put it in my inner tear duct. And just taking this small brush from BH Cosmetics in 106, and I'll just dip it in the shade maybe this one to finish off the look, tapping it, and I'll just put it here. So guys, I have a little bit problem because glitters are all over my face now. So I'll just taking this white one to clean up and put it under my eyebrows to clean up some rough edges. And I'll just use my brush to clean up some fall off. There are lots of fall off from the glitters, but I am loving the look. And let me finish this with false lashes, mascara, and liner, and I will be back for the final look. And guys, this is the final look that I have created for you. I hope you enjoyed watching. Actually, I really enjoyed playing with this palette. It has lots of colors, very colorful. But my thoughts about this palette is there are more mattes than the shimmers. I like it, like, I think there's only 3 shimmers. There's a 2 shimmer, and this one pressed glitters, and the rest of the shadows are all matte. So I would really have to have more shimmers and like even out the matte and the shimmers. But with the look, with the formulation, it is good. So far so good. There's no kick off on the palette, I mean, yeah, but a little bit kick off on the face when you fall off when you apply the products, but they are very pigmented, so just be careful. And I really have a little bit of problem with the blending. It takes a lot of blending, but I really love the look that I have created. So yes, if you have this palette, please let me know in the comments down below how you enjoyed using this palette, and if you don't, I also recommend you try this one. Check out on the Morphe site. This is a very nice palette, big one, and yeah, lots of nice color story if you're into a colorful makeup. So yes, this is the spring colorful look that I have created for you. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you do, I hope you find it also helpful. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. And I hope to see you soon, guys. Take care. Bye.